Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make the intense game. So let me show you how it is. It's a pretty hard game. Press green flag. So in this video I will teach you how to make a start button and a high score. So let's go. Timer and the score. Catch a fruit to increase the score, and then if you touch the up, you will lose and the high score will appear. So let's make it. Let me save this first. First things first, delete the scratch cat. Make a new sprite, then paint it. Go to costumes. We'll make a simple circle. Zoom in. Hold down shift. And then smaller. There. And then we'll make a line. Then we'll hold down shift 2. Oops. Wait, it's a little hard. Here. It's a little hard. We'll select this. Make it 5. There you go. Oops. There you go. Here, make it 5. And there you go. Now we'll name this player. Oops. Here we'll make a new sprite. We'll make simple platforms from this black color. So this. Here we'll copy this and paste it on here. Duplicate, and then we'll make one with this. Then we'll flip horizontal. and then here we'll make it a little here, and then we'll make small squares. We'll copy it, paste, use arrow keys if it's hard to use your mouse. Go, another costume, horizontal. Wait, where's the blue? Oops. Let's go here quickly. We don't want the white color in here. Same with this one. It's a little long making these platforms. Oh, let's just horizontal. There you go. Now, wait, let's go to the ball. Or we'll make it 70. Go to sprite 1. We'll make a smaller one. Horizontal. And then lastly we'll make this, 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 and then we'll make it just duplicate to horizontal. Oops. Just right here. And now from that, we get platforms, and then let's go to the layer and let's go to platforms. We'll go to events. When green flag clicks, we will hide it, and then we will go to X 0, Y negative 180, and then we go forever. Oh no, let's make one more sprite. And click costumes. We'll make an outline black, white, and then make a big one. Start. Do it with black. Okay. So go to code, events, when green flag clicks, we'll show it. We will go to X 0, Y 0, and then forever. We'll do an if else block here. Oops, sorry. We'll drag this here, and then we'll go to events. We'll broadcast message start button, and then here when I receive start button, and then if touching mouse pointer, we will set the size to 1110, else we'll set the size to 100. Control, if sensing mouse down, we'll go to events, we'll broadcast play, and then looks, we'll hide it. So let's go, see, search, and so let's go to player, go to events. When green flag clicked, we will hide it. The same for the platforms. When green flag clicked, we'll hide, and so let's go to platforms. When I receive play forever, we'll go to control, create clone of myself. We'll wait 1 second, and then control again. When I start as clone, we will show we'll show and control forever. No. Repeat 180. And then we will change y by 2, and then we will delete this clone. So let's see. And there you go. Oh, one more thing. We'll go to looks. We'll switch costume operators. Pick random 1 to 7, so it will change any costume. So, wait, that's a glitch. At the very first, that's a glitch. Wait. Or maybe you don't need the one green flag. That's a glitch. I think I will solve it in the next part, so don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and I will see you in the next part. Bye!